Here are the 5 steps you should take right away after a car accident. The first one is obvious. You need to call 911. Those are the professionals, the people who are going to deploy resources to the scene of the accident. Police, fire, ambulance. They know what you need. Tell them what happened. It's just the safe thing to do. Don't be your own doctor. Don't be your own emergency crew. If you're hurt and you may have injury, call 911. Next, if you're involved in a car accident and it's unsafe for you to move the vehicle, or you can't because of the condition of the car or because of your injuries, stay put. Wait for medical personnel to come to you to help extricate you from the vehicle or otherwise move your vehicle. If it is possible to move your car and safe to do so, you want to move your vehicle out of the way so traffic can continue, and it's dangerous to be in the middle of the road. So if you can go to the side of the road, go to the side of the road. Then what? Stay there and try to speak with the other driver to learn who they are and their insurance information. You want to be sure that you have an exchange of information at the side of the road if you can. Now, the police, if they come, will collect this information also, but you want it for your own purposes. Don't rely on the police to get the other driver's information, because things happen and information can get lost or wrongly relayed. So take a picture of the person's driver's license and their license plate if they're willing. Don't get into a confrontation, but if it's reasonable to do so and safe, you should ask. After you get that information, and if it's okay to do so, you should take photos. We all have a smartphone on us nowadays. It's an amazing camera phone, and it is the best collector of evidence. Take it out, take photos, and here's what you should do. First, focus on your vehicle. Take pictures of all damage, front, back, side, all of it. Scrapes, dings, dents, whatever, inside, outside, take it all. Be sure to stand far enough back from the vehicle so that you can get the surrounding scene, even if you've moved your car. As a car accident lawyer, I look at these photos and often I want to see the surrounding area. I'm looking for weather conditions, road conditions, potential obstructions in the area. Once you finish with your own vehicle, take photos of the other car. You've already have the license plate information, so take that wide shot of their vehicle from multiple angles. Capture all the vehicle damage. If you can, take a photo of any obstructions in the windshield. You should look for that. See about the condition of the vehicle in other areas where the collision didn't occur. Was there prior damage to the car? Once you've taken pictures of both cars, you should look at the roadway. Are there tire marks? Are there scuffs? Are there obstructions? Is there something else that may have been the cause of the accident? You want to document all of this. Now, once you take those photos, you want to save them in at least 2 places. Back them up to the cloud, send them to a friend, email them to someone else, do something. Don't be the person who loses their phone or breaks their phone, and all of that evidence that your lawyer's going to want is all of a sudden missing. So don't make that mistake. And the next one, seek out a witness, and really more than one witness if you can. Witnesses are everywhere nowadays. They could be on the side of the road, in another car, driving behind you. Maybe there's someone in a business nearby. Maybe there's surveillance that's pointing towards the road. Don't rely on the police to find witnesses. They're all around. Somebody may be hanging back, but keen to talk. If you find a witness, you want to get their name, their number, their email address, and a short description of what they saw. You may need to call them later, and as a car accident lawyer, I assure you, I want to know what that witness has to say. I'm going to follow up with them later for a statement. These statements can be a make or break in a personal injury case. You don't want to lose your case or take a reduction in your case for potential partial blame if the facts are on your side. And evidence who's unbiased, who saw the accident, who heard what happened, is invaluable to making that determination about fault. So, now that you know my list of 5 tips and things you should do immediately after a car accident, I'd love to know what's on your list. And if you're sitting there today with questions about a car accident and what to do next, just contact my office. There's no cost, no obligation. We're here to provide information to the public, to educate them so they know about their rights, they know about where they stand, what they're entitled to. It's about making informed decisions about your next steps. And if I can help you in that, I'd like to. So contact me by phone, email, text, whatever is convenient. I will get back to you the same day and help you however I can. Take care, all the best, drive safe, and I wish you a great recovery.